Hey guys, what's up? It's Pressley and Fibba, and welcome back to my channel, and happy 2021. This is my first video of the new year, and I am so excited. This year is going to be so amazing, and I am very excited for this video, and I think it's a great way to kick off the new year. And this video is very requested. You guys have been asking for one of these videos for a very long time, and that is, by the title, you could probably already tell, it is a room tour. I am so excited to show you guys my new room. If you didn't know, I recently moved to LA, so I have a brand new room to show you guys that I cannot wait to show you. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to get your sweet pea merch at PressleyHosbach.com. Let's get started. Okay, so when you first walk in, you see this awesome wall right here. I am completely obsessed with this wall. It is so amazing. I have wanted a wall collage for so long, and I am so glad that I finally got to put it in my room. It is so awesome. I love all the pictures. Shout out to Lindsay Wall Kit for this amazing wall collage kit. You're the best. Thank you so much. I'm completely obsessed with it. And yeah, I am so excited to show you guys the pictures up close and show you guys some of my favorite ones. So let's start. So when you first walk in, this is the wall. It starts all the way at the bottom and then goes all the way up above my door. That was so hard to like cut out the bed and stuff, but we made it work. But look how gorgeous and amazing. This one is one of my favorites. This one, I just think this is so cool. Love, love, love this one. I also really like this one because it reminds me of Gossip Girl, and then this one, and this one, and that one, and a Louis Vuitton one, and that one. I really just like all of it. But yeah, this is the first awesome thing in my room. Many more awesome things to come, so let me show you the rest of them. Okay, so right next to my wall collage is my bed, because everything else in my room is like, there's so many different things going on. I just wanted a plain white bed. I'm not too sure where I got my duvet cover, but I also have these pillows. I got this pillow for Christmas last year, and then this is just from Target. It's literally so soft, probably my favorite pillow ever. Love this. And then my bed frame, you can't really see what it looks like, so I'm just gonna pull a pillow. It is gold. Yeah, pretty simple, super cute. Love it. And above my bed, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. I am so happy that my mom found this. Look how cute. The lanterns, they are so cute, and they really just make my room. They're actually controlled by my light switch. This is the main light source of my room, so very cute. They're from IKEA. IKEA literally has anything and everything. So many of my things in my room are from IKEA, but IKEA is awesome. But now, moving on to the rest of my room. So, continuing on, I have this beautiful wallpaper from Loomwell. I am in love with their wallpaper. It is so awesome. You guys should definitely go check them out. Thank you so much, Loomwell, for my awesome wallpaper. And yeah, I love it so much. It just makes the room, and I think it looks so good with the wall collage of black and white and pink and gold theme that we're going for here. Looks very good. Now moving on, we have these shelves. I have this sign. There's a letterboard. It says, "Be kind, be happy, be you." I change it up all the time, but that's what I have right now. Then I have this pineapple holder, and I have this paperclip thingy. These are two books that I have. I just thought that the colors went well with the room, so that's why they're there. This is like one of my favorite movies, so I have to read the book. And I have The Best Yet to Come, which is my saying if you didn't know. Also, go shop the Sweet Pea merch if you like that saying, because I have a sweatshirt and a shirt. That says it. Then I have a picture of my family. Then I have two little Christmas trees. And then the last thing on this wall is my Dance Moms poster. Oh, you can see me. Super cute. Now, this might be my favorite part of my room. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this mirror. It gives so much lumina for this awesome vanity and ring light that's right there. This mirror is everything. See, I just shut it off, but now I'm gonna turn on. I mean, it is so awesome. I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh my goodness, and I'm so happy I got it. I cannot wait to show you guys everything in my vanity, and yes, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. We've got the light bulbs all around. So now I'm just sitting down at my vanity and I want to show you guys everything. Let me just show you the awesome features that this mirror has. It did not come with a desk. This desk is actually from IKEA. We just put the mirror on top of it. So it basically makes the vanity. So first, lights. There we go. So lights go on and off. And it also, wait for it, can play music. Like, that was only halfway, not even. Like, it's so loud. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This mirror is so amazing. Again, shout out to Lumina for their awesome products, ring light, mirror, and I also got a chair that came with it, like a little makeup chair, like I'm on set. I use it sometimes because I miss being on set. But so cool, and make sure you guys go check out Lumina and their awesome products. Now, moving into the drawers of my vanity. Okay, so this is the first drawer in my vanity. This is more of the makeup drawer. Right in this drawer organizer, I have my palettes, eyeshadow palettes, contour palettes, all the palettes. And then moving into here, I have my powders, bronzers, and blushes. And then back here are like lip glosses that I probably don't use that often because they're like crazy colors. That's not even like a crazy one. I mean, I'm not gonna wear that on a regular basis, but these are like nudes. And then over here I have my lip glosses that I use pretty often. Then I have these little containers. Two of them are cream blushes. The other one is a like concealer type thing from MAC. And over here I have everything. That's a tube form. So concealers, mascaras, eyeliners, bronzers, anything, literally. Then I have my thick brushes in here, and then I have my thin brushes in a container. So that's that drawer, and now I'm gonna show you my other one. So we have just my two brushes and clear hair bands in here. So I have my moisturizers. I have a hand moisturizer and a face moisturizer. This is what I put on right before I do makeup, but I have another one in my bathroom that I use all day, every day. Then I have my two mists. Then in here I have my glasses, my regular prescription glasses and my blue light glasses. I still have a few more that I have to move into here. And then I have Vaseline. This is like my favorite lip balm ever. A lip mask from Morphe 2. And then this is lip balm that's a little tinted, so it's really pretty. And then over here I have hair ties and nail clipper and perfumes, just kind of random. And then just my deodorant. So moving on from my vanity, we have my closets. I love my closets. It's actually just one big closet. It just has that in the middle, but it's all mirrors, which I love. I love the look of it. It's so pretty, but the inside is so awesome. There's so much organization. I can't wait to show you guys. My closet isn't exactly the way that it normally looks because we just came home from New Jersey, so I still have to unpack. So not everything is in its right place, or some stuff is missing from my closet. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys anyways. This is the first closet. When you open it, you have all my like shirts, my hang-up shirts. I have like regular shirts and then I have hang-up shirts, if that makes any sense. Then we have my dance shorts and dance tops, and then shorts. The store's really empty right now, but it's just like my pajama shorts or my sleeping shorts. And then down here we have my bikinis. So sadly haven't been touched recently. My jackets. Then we have these two things of accessories. Yeah, this is like my belts and headbands. It's not even really organized, just kind of found in there. Mommy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I just don't keep that part organized. All across this part and all the way to the end of the other doors are sweatshirts. I have so many sweatshirts. I live in sweatshirts. I need to declutter it at one point, but for now, that whole entire thing, sweatshirts. Then we have my jeans and my sweatpants. It used to be sweatpants on this side and then jeans on this side because I didn't have that many jeans. Now I have too many jeans, so it's all mixed up. Now moving on to the other side of my closet, we have starting over here, we actually have my 2 fuzzy jackets. I'm in love with these jackets. They're so comfy. Then we have my skirts. I have so many skirts. I don't know when that happened. I never used to have this many skirts, but here we are. I love, love, love skirts. Then over here we have extra hangers and my rompers and my dresses color coordinated. Of course, if you know me, you know that my closet is always color coordinated because it's just way easier to find things, in my opinion. My favorite part of my closet, it is not completely full right now, but if you watched my other video, you actually saw it. It is where my sneakers go. So like I said before, it's not full. It usually has like 5 pair on each. So these are just my sneaker racks. They pull out, which is super cool. I'm so glad that this is in the closet because it is such a lifesaver, because if you know me, I am quite the sneakerhead. I have a lot of sneakers and that just makes them way neater, way organized. I usually have my boxes. I still keep my sneaker boxes, but now I don't have my boxes stacked up in my closet. I have this lovely organizer. Super cute, super cool, super functional, and yeah, that's my closet. And now moving on to the last part of my room. I have my dresser. Is this from, why is this just in the middle of this? Much better. My dresser is from IKEA, of course. Over here we have my water bottle. Then this one says work hard, stay humble. My jewelry. We have my extra pens and markers. And then I have this elephant, super cute. And then my diffuser and my starlight projector. And yeah, the last thing in my room that I want to show you guys is something that is super cute. I really love this. And it is this poster or canvas. I don't really know what to call it, but this is what it looks like. And it says love yourself on it. I think that is so cute. I absolutely am in love with that, and it just makes that wall so much prettier, so it's not just plain. Is my room. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of my room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Do not forget to get your Soupy merch at PressleyHosbach.com, and do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, all of them Pressley Hosbach, all with them right here. I don't know why I'm talking so fast, but make sure you follow me for more daily updates on what I'm doing. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you have the best year ever. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to stay sweet. See you next time. Bye.